How to fix Snapchat notifications not working on iOS 18. Here are a few solutions to fix the issue. Follow the steps, one might work for you. Let's start with checking notification settings. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now scroll to find the Notifications option and click on it. Again, scroll down and look for the Snapchat option, then tap on it. Here, ensure the toggle is on for the Allow Notifications option. Now check whether you are getting Snapchat notifications or not. If not, then check Do Not Disturb mode. For this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Next, look for the DND or Focus Mode half moon icon. Now tap on the icon to turn off. After that, check for the notifications from Snapchat. Still, you are not getting, then try. Check for other accounts. Go to the App Store on your iPhone. At the top, click on the search bar and search for the Snapchat app, then tap on the app from the results. If you have an update available, then update the app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the app. Now check for the notifications. Still, you are not getting, then try. Offload the app. For this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. Now click on the iPhone storage option. Click on Block Username to confirm. Here, you will see the app details, then click on Offload App. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Offload App to confirm. Then click on Reinstall App. This will uninstall the app from the device and free up the storage used by the app. Now, check whether you are receiving notifications or not. If not, then force restart. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting the device, check whether you are getting notifications or not. If it is not working, then try Contact Snapchat Support. Open the Snapchat app on your device and click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Next, click on the Settings gear icon. Here, scroll to the Support and Feedback section and tap on Help Center. Then, in the search bar, type the issue and click on Search. The results will appear on the screen. Go through them and follow the instructions to fix the issue. And that's it.